spend a lot of time talking about ChatGPT and other similar tools, but I am a Microsoft partner. I should spend some time talking about CoPilot because Microsoft is really pushing it across the entire Microsoft tenant. It pops up daily when I'm working on files. This is the first time I've actually paid attention to CoPilot chats. You're seeing it with me, and it looks similar to what you will see in a ChatGPT or another tool that you use to put prompts in and your results. So it gives you some recommendations here, which is cool. It's saying, give me tips to increase my LinkedIn presence because LinkedIn is a Microsoft company. Did you know that? Nice little tips. They do try to make it easier for you to wrap your head around what to do. So, things that I would do. Write a SQL query. Now this is cool. They have this little agents and they're pushing Monday.com. Dig into that yet. I haven't really gotten to the AI yet. I'm really interested in that, but it's a little more involved in building models and that kind of thing. Let's do a quick test. This is something I actually wanted to see. I want to see if it actually comes back with anything. Can you build me a content calendar for Instagram? Let's see. Absolutely, that help you build content. It's asking with content types. Interesting. And it's asking me for more prompts for and would I like in the spreadsheet format, which I really don't. Let's say I want to grow my followers. And could you add this content calendar to my Outlook? So it can format it and it's going to create a calendar file so I can import it to Outlook. That's cool. Now, see, I like that because I do want something that's, if I'm going to be using this CoPilot on the tenant already where I spend all my time, I have my calendar on here. It would be helpful for me to do that. I could get an alert every day reminding me that I have to post, and then I can whittle it down, say I want it for my pet e-commerce company. I could say niche, I guess again, pet care. And I can say it's going to give me a 4-week calendar. Hashtag ideas. Oh, that's all great stuff. Because people actually charge to build this. You can go on to, I got one from Etsy. Somebody just was selling content calendars. You can do it yourself with GPT. You don't have to do that. And you can actually target it to what you're trying to do. I'm going to say I want to post 3 times a week. One last thing before I generate the calendar. Do you prefer posting time? I want to say I want to use optimal engagement times. Does that make sense? I'm thinking. There's an issue generating the calendar due to missing module. Well, yeah, things that happen. Now, it's done most of the work for me. go and set reminders for myself to do the post every day because I live off my calendars. This would be helpful for me. This is just the one part of CoPilot that Microsoft built in. It also does pop up when I'm working in Power Platform in certain instances, not really so much in Power Automate, but it does in Power Apps. It's still not quite there on that side yet. They're trying to get it there, but I'm already paying for this. If I don't have to jump over to ChatGPT and mess around, or the other tools that I've been testing, Gemini and all that stuff, might be something I can use. And if you're a Microsoft person like me, this might be something that you have already dug into. But if not, and you are in the Microsoft platform already, take a look. It might be good. Thank you. And I think this is day